Navigating the world of free boats is a bit like treasure hunting in a minefield. While you can truly find a vessel for free, the initial price tag is rarely the final cost. Here is how to find one, and how to recognize the red flags when looking for a free boat. I'll tell you all about it in 10 seconds.
Hi, it's Alan, and I sure hope you're enjoying our latest video. If you are, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We really need your support, and it doesn't cost you anything.
Where do you find the $0 vessels? Online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist, and each region has their favorite site. Search for free boat or must be gone today. Owners often give boats away just to stop paying storage fees. Try local marinas, but not at yacht clubs. Speak with dockmasters. Boats are frequently abandoned, and marinas may give them away to clear space, after following legal lien processes, of course. Boating forums. Communities like the Hull, Truth or Cruisers and sailing forums occasionally have members looking to pass a project boat to a good home. If you want to go that route, you'll need to join the group and participate. Now, the red flags. When free is too expensive. Before you hook up the trailer, check for these deal breakers: soft spots in the deck or transom. If the floor feels spongy, the internal wood core is rotted. Replacing a transom or stringers often costs more than the boat is worth. The POX. Its proper name is osmotic blistering, and it is common with older fiberglass boats. It occurs when water molecules move through a semi-permeable membrane. The paperwork trap. Never take a boat without a clear title or bill of sale. In many regions, you cannot register, insure, or even dispose of a boat legally without proper documentation. Dodgy engines. If the engine is seized or won't start from sitting, you aren't getting a boat. You're getting a very heavy fiberglass shell that needs a $5,000 plus heart transplant. The trailer catch. Often the boat is free, but the trailer is rusted through. If the axle snaps on the highway, you are liable for the cleanup and towing, and a fine. Here is the golden rule. The cheapest boat you can buy is often the one that costs a few $1,000s and actually runs. A free boat usually requires specialized tools, hundreds of hours of labor, and high disposal fees if the project fails. Always calculate the all-in cost of repairs before saying yes. And how do I get one of those almost free boats? Check out this video. Fair winds, my friends. Fair winds.